This is English News Broadcast on ERi-TV for Sunday evening, 18th of August 2024. We're live from Asmara and thank you for joining us. The following are the top stars. National Festival 2024 colorfully concludes. Potable water project underway in Ad-Felesti administrative area. Israeli strike in South Lebanon kills 10 and injures 5 people. Mediterranean Sea reaches highest surface temperature ever recorded. The National Eritrean Festival 2024, which also marked the 50th anniversary of the Bologna Festival, officially opened by President Isaias Afwerki on 10th of August, at Expo Compound, concluded colorfully with a ceremony on 18th of August. At the closing ceremony, attended by senior government and PFDG officials, Ambassador Zemede Takhle, Commissioner of Culture and Sports, highlighted that the national festivals have become more than just cultural events. They serve as bridges connecting nationals from inside the country and abroad, strengthening Eritrean identity and unity, preserving cultural values, and presenting to the world the true image of Eritrea, its history, free political choice, and social fabric. Ambassador Zemede also noted that this year's national festival was particularly special as it brought together nationals from both inside the country and abroad in Asmara, creating a unique experience in the history of national festivals. He further emphasized that the regions of the country showcased their cultural, social, and economic development achievements. Ambassador Zemede expressed hope that the history and journey of national festivals will be documented through research and study to be passed down to future generations. According to the report presented, the week-long festival attracted around 400,000 visitors and featured cultural presentations from all 6 regions of Eritrea, including traditional dance, folklore sessions, and exhibitions depicting various aspects of Eritrean life. The festival also included displays by diaspora communities from Europe, North America, the Middle East, and Africa, along with a rich tapestry of cultural programs, children's entertainment, institutional product showcase, and educational seminars. The closing event was highlighted by cultural and artistic programs, with awards handed out to those who contributed to the participated in the successful implementation of National Festival. The potable water project put in place in Ad-Felesti administrative area, Dwarwa Sabzon, is significantly contributing in ensuring water supply for both humans and livestock in the area. The project, which started on June 2021, included putting in place water reservoirs with the capacity of holding 250 barrels of water pumps operating with solar system, 2 water wells, 800 meters of water pipes, as well as 9 water distribution centers. It's also expected to supply water to the villages of Ad-Felesti, Beit Gabriel, Antsela, and Ad-Robat. The residents indicating that they have been compelled to travel long distance to fetch water for their consumption and livestock. The residents said that with the potable water project put in place in their area, their problem has been solved. They also expressed readiness to conduct regular follow-up for the sustainability of the project. Ad-Felesti administrative area is located 30 kilometers south of Dwarwa. Those were local news updates. Stay tuned for international news. Around 10 people were killed, including 2 children, and 5 were wounded by an Israeli strike on the residential building in the city of Nabat Yah in South Lebanon, state news agency NNA said yesterday. The victims were all Syrian citizens, and NS said, adding that the final toll of the strike would be announced after DNA tests were conducted to determine the identity of the victims. The Israeli military said the airstrike targeted a weapon depot used by Hezbollah militants. The Israeli strike came after ceasefire talks between Palestinian Islamist group Hamas and Israeli in Doha paused on Friday, with negotiators due to meet again next week. Hezbollah later said in a statement that it had struck the Eilat Hashar kibbutz in North Israel in retaliation for the Nabateh strike. 2 soldiers were wounded in the rocket attack from Lebanon, the Israeli military said, adding that a total of 55 rockets had been fired in latest strikes from Lebanon. Also yesterday, an Israeli drone targeted a motorcycle in Admus area in South Lebanon, and NA reported, adding that 1 person was injured. The Mediterranean Sea reached its highest surface temperature with a daily median of 28.9 degrees Celsius on Thursday, according to Spanish researchers, topping a previous record set last month. For 2 successive summers, the Mediterranean has been warmer than it was during the exceptional 2023 heat wave, when temperatures hit record highs that went unchallenging for 20 years. The Mediterranean Sea reached its highest temperature on record Thursday, Spanish researchers told reporters on Friday, breaking the record from July 2023. The previous record occurred on July 24, 2023, with a median value of 28.71 degrees Celsius, said Justino Martinez, researcher at the Institut del Celsius del Mar in Barcelona and the Catalan Institute of Research for the Governance of the Sea. The maximum temperature on August 15 was attained on the Egyptian coast at El Arish, 31.96 degrees Celsius, but this value is preliminary until further human checks can be carried out, the researcher added. The preliminary reading for 2024 comes from satellite data from the European Copernicus Observatory, with record dating back to 1982. Before we go, we have a quick recap of the top stars. National Festival 2024 colorfully concludes. Potable water project in Ad Falasti administrative area. Israeli strike in South Lebanon kills 10 and injures 5 people. Mediterranean Sea reached highest surface temperature ever recorded. And that wraps up our news broadcast for now. Thank you for watching.